Hello everyone, this is just a short little introduction to introduce you to a new platform that the department are phasing out at the moment called QLearn. You may have heard of it. QLearn is the department's new digital learning management system platform, and it is going to be for student learning, staff learning, and eventually I believe parents will be able to have a section as well. So basically it is replacing for staff our Learning Place and our Blackboard at this stage. So where you did your mandatory training, you will be now doing all your mandatory training through QLearn, and it does give you the opportunity to create your own courses in there, like Blackboard did, but it's a little bit less clunky. It actually has been improved. So we're in phase one at the moment. So phase one is introduction and learning. So basically everyone has now been given access to it. And you can have a play with it, ready to sort of integrate more with it next year in term one. So, as I said, QLearn will replace the Learning Place and Blackboard, and it will provide a learning space for students at this stage. I believe there's going to be a lot more brought in and a lot more combined with it, but as I say, they're only in phase one. So you will now do your, as you say, it's your mandatory training courses in here, and you will have the opportunity, if you wish to, create your own courses and assign those courses to students. But again, as we are already playing in that digital space with Daymap and Teams and all that sort of stuff, it is another platform if you would wish to have a look and maybe use it. And obviously, as we go through the phases, more training and development will occur for those of you who are keen to get on board. So you can access your QLearn now. It's all been set up for you through the little icon. There's this little icon here that you now would have seen appear on your screen. Or you can just go to qlearn.eq.edu to get to QLearn as well. So once you log in, this is what it will look like. But I think for this purpose, I might pop into the live version. Okay, so we have, once you pop in, you will log in using your school details, just like you log into everything now, Daymap, your normal computers stuff. And this is your dashboard. So you can see here on your dashboard, you get published courses and unpublished courses. Published courses are obviously ones that are completed and are viewed by everyone. And your unpublished courses are the ones that you've got sitting here ready to create. So you will notice that your timetable subjects will now appear here. Obviously there is nothing in there, but the students are automatically assigned. So as not like Teams where you have to add students continuously, this will happen automatically. So when there's a change in a timetable, it will update automatically into QLearn. So at this stage, I really just wanted to give you an introduction to it to show you that it's there, that you can go in, have a little look around, have a play around. You can't break it, so it's okay, you can play. They will give you this tutorial, so if you are interested in looking at how you would set up your own courses and use them with students, you're welcome to run that tutorial. They have given you this little box here, which is sandbox lesson plan, course, and you can basically, that is your play. So it's like a training class that you can go in and have a play and learn as you're doing your tutorial. Once we get started with this next year, you'll find that possibly your mandatory training will appear here in published courses as well, and that's where you will go through to complete your mandatory training. So at this stage, I just really wanted to give you a bit of a rundown of that it's coming, that it's available to us. As I said, it is another digital platform for us, for students, and whether it is something you would like to delve into will be up to you at this stage. And we'll obviously do a little bit more hands-on training next year as well. But as for beginners training, this particular course here will run you through all the steps you need to be able to create a course and assign it to students if that's what you wish. Students will get pretty much the same sort of thing that we do. Any published courses will appear for them. They'll be able to click on it and they'll be able to run that course. So again, yeah, it is just another digital platform, but as if you use Teams or if you use Notebook, you can see that some of this is starting to get combined into this one platform, which I think is their main idea. So pop in, have a look, have a play. You can't break it. Even if you add these to your classes, no one can see them until you publish them, and you can delete, edit things all the time. And you don't ever lose these, they will always stay there. So you can have some fun. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for listening.